This is just a quick review for this case for the Phomemo thermal label printer. Very pleased with this. You can hear it's a nice solid hard case, nice zipper all around it, and inside there's plenty of room to hold the printer. This is the printer here, not included, of course. And on this side, you can put rolls of the thermal labels. I don't have any right now to put in there, but it's very sturdy. It's nice looking. It'll protect the printer and hold the extra paper. What more can you want from a case? Highly recommended.